Hey Christina, I'm going to make you a quick video on how to, sorry if that's, my audio I think is going bad on this computer, so let me know if that's bad for you and I'll make this again. So go to your Google Drive and then under right here where you see plus new, click on that, and then if you go down to more, you'll see this extra pop-up. You want to make a Google form. So when you click on Google Forms, it'll open up a nice new Google form, and this is what I use to do all my surveys in. So first of all, always change the color. So I change it from purple to our university blue. So come to your color palette right here, if it ever will open up this morning. Seems like it's moving a little delayed. Okay, so you title this, click here, and you can give it whatever title. So you can say ES MS 3405 class survey, fall 18, and then you can come here and you can it'll bring the same title in that you type up there, and here's where you can type in any instructions, and then you just put your first question. Overall, how, I can't type today, would you rate your experience in this class? And as you notice, it's got a little intelligent tutoring going on in the background, and so when you said the word rate, then it automatically proposed a linear scale, and you can just say poor, and then the other end of it could be excellent. And then you can decide if you're going to make this a required question. Clicking this means students cannot advance until they give an answer. On this drop box here is where you could change it to multiple choice. Let's say you wanted to set up your own answers here, and you might say poor, good, whatever. You could change that however you wanted it to be. And then to add another option, you can click add option, or if you just tab, hit the tab button. It's going to take you to the image. So you tab a couple of times, and it'll get you where it'll add another option. So after you decide on your question, you can do short answers or paragraphs. You can use checkbox, so you can just play around. You can have a drop-down menu pop up. You could have students upload a file if you wanted them to. I've done a multiple choice grid before. You can do a checkbox grid, so you can include date and time, and these are all your choices here. You just play with those. But to add another question, you just hit that plus sign right here. And so now you have question number 2. What grade do you hope to earn in this class? And then, so now I got too many S's. Okay, so see, it's pretty simple how to do this. And again, so the first thing I always do is decide if it's going to be required or not. And if it's required, you know that by this little red asterisk that appears. So there'll be a red asterisk after you finish building this one. And you can I don't ever use any of these, but you can add a section. I do add sections, so maybe I have professor characteristics, so then it breaks it up. So section 2 may be over grading, or section 2 or section 3 could be over the use of Kahoots, or whatever different activities, the project, you can have them specifically grade. Then when you're done, let's try it again. Can I customize it? Yeah. So I come here and I change the color. You could put a background image. You could, put the University of Memphis back there, whatever you want it to do. And you can close that out. And you can preview it by clicking on this little eye. It'll show you what it will look like for students. And then this is what you want to do. You want to hit the send button. It's going to pop this up. I always click here and then shorten it. And then I just copy and paste this. I can copy and paste this right into eCourseWare, and so students can just follow the link from inside of eCourseWare, and that's it. Nothing more to that. Okay, so if you run into questions or need help, just let me know. Okay, Bye.